Hey, knowledge lovers! Today we're exploring the best Google Sheets courses on Coursera. From absolute beginner skills to advanced analytics, automation, and collaboration workflows. The links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. Google Sheets, Google Cloud. This course is your structured on-ramp to Sheets. You'll master the interface, clean data with sorting, filtering, and conditional formatting, and build reliable calculations using core functions like sum, average, if, countif, and basic text date formulas. You'll also create charts and pivot tables that turn raw numbers into clear stories stakeholders can act on. Collaboration is a major theme. You'll learn real-time co-editing, comments and action items, protected ranges, named ranges, and version history so teams can move fast without breaking the model. By the end, you'll have a repeatable workflow for importing data, analyzing it, and sharing results with confidence. 2. Google Sheets Advanced Topics, Google Cloud. Ready to level up? This course dives into lookup and array power, VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, index match, and dynamic array functions like filter, unique, and sort to build flexible, no-copy analysis. You'll design multi-criteria dashboards, construct KPI summaries with query, and use pivot table calculated fields for richer insights. You also explore automation and scale, macros for repetitive steps, logical error handling with if error, and best practices for model design, separating input logic output, consistent naming, documentation. For data at scale, you'll see how connected Sheets brings BigQuery data into familiar spreadsheets without writing SQL, enabling interactive dashboards on billions of rows. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. 3. Doing more with Google Sheets, Google Cloud. This course focuses on workflow superpowers. You'll connect forms for clean data collection, use data validation and dropdowns to reduce input errors, and set up email notifications and approvals with add-ons. You'll integrate Sheets with docs and slides to generate reports and slide decks that update with a refresh. There's a spotlight on App Script. Record macros, then peek under the hood to customize scripts that clean data, format reports, or trigger time-based jobs. You'll also learn to publish share-ready dashboards, embed charts elsewhere, and create lightweight tools the whole team can use without waiting on engineering. 4. Spreadsheets for beginners using Google Sheets, Coursera. If you're brand new to spreadsheets, start here. The course teaches the fundamentals at a gentle pace, entering and formatting data, understanding cells, rows and columns, freezing panes, and printing or exporting properly. You'll practice simple math, percentages, and running totals, so everyday tasks, budgets, trackers, simple lists become effortless. From there, you'll build confidence with basic charts, simple filters, and introductory functions like sum, average, min-max, and basic if statements. The goal is practical literacy. You'll finish comfortable navigating Sheets, avoiding common mistakes, and creating clean, readable spreadsheets you're proud to share. All of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers,